Hello crafty friends, thank you again for joining me today. My name is Lorena and I'm gonna make a Mother's Day card using some of my dies, Spellbinder die that I've got in my stash. I start cutting a rectangle out of matte gold cardstock, and then I'm gonna cut some of the elements from the large die of the month for February 2023 using this lovely paper that is very textured, and it is kind of shiny as well a little bit. So I'm gonna apply some glue on the borders element, and I'm gonna glue them on both sides of my panel. Now here in UK, Mother's Day is already gone, but in Italy, and I think in the rest of the world almost, Mother's Day is the second Sunday of May, so I've got time to send this to my mum. I might make a couple and then maybe you can help me choose which one would be the best to send. Of the same white texture cardstock, I cut out the center part, and now I'm gonna do some stamping and it embossing. So I'm gonna use this very old stamp set that I never actually used it before, and I'm gonna use the Mother's Day. I think it came with in a magazine, was free in a magazine. Now I'm just gonna prep my card with a bit of anti-static powder, and then I'm gonna ink up with the Versamark ink, and using just a block I'm gonna stamp my Mother's Day sentiment. With the texture cardstock you need to be a bit careful because it might not stick properly, so I press rather well, so hopefully it's gonna be okay. Yeah, it seems it took it well, so happy with that. So I'm gonna heat it up and melt my embossing powder. I'm using Simon's Stamp extra fine gold embossing powder. I like this all gold color. Yeah, I'm happy that it's melting nice. Yeah, it works. Good. Now I'm gonna back the cardstock with some scrap cardstock I had just to make it more sturdy, and I'm just gonna glue with simple cheap glue that works, paper glue. So once that is there, I'm gonna let it to dry for a few minutes. Now I'm gonna use this Simon's Stamp sentiment that is Happy Birthday die, but I'm gonna use just the word happy, and I die cut it in gold cardstock. And now with the glossy accent I'm gonna just glue it on top of my sub sentiment. Just remove the excess. I use this dies so many times. Usually not together, always just birthday or happy, and then mix and match with other dies or stamps. And now I die cut from the squiggle, seal squiggle, some with gold cardstock. I cut out some elements. I decided to use just one of them, I didn't want it to be too busy. And the flowers come from the Be Bold blooms. That is absolutely lovely. I love these flowers. I think I used it in the last 3 or 4 cards. And now I'm just gonna glue everything together. I think I'm putting some glue on the first one, and then I'm gonna pop up the second one with a bit of foam squares, tiny foam squares. I think you can hear my kids on the background. Sorry about that, but you know, school holiday, what can you do? I do love hear them laughing on the background, to be fair. Better than the quiet. When it's too quiet, then it's something's going on, so getting scary. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a bit of wax sealing. So I'm gonna melt 4 gold wax beads, and I'm gonna use I think I've got it already on my prepared. I'm gonna use this lovely rose that I don't think I use it yet anywhere, so time to use it. Now after the waxy melt, I'm gonna mix it a little bit with my big stick. I should have cleaned it straight away, but I've been lazy. I left it on the side. Never mind. I'm sure I'll be able to detach it after. And I'm just gonna pour on my heat mat, wait a few seconds, and then let my metal stamp lay there. And it came out really nice. I did some, with the excess of the wax, I create some little pearls as well, that I'm not actually gonna use it. Now the wax seal was a bit too large, so what I did, I just cut around the design, and then I use the flame to smoothen out the corners. And this it came out okay. I put some tiny foam squares on the back, leaving a space in the middle so I can tuck it in where the flower stem are. Usually I pour directly on the card, but I want it to be a bit more, I don't know, a bit more circle, let's say. And that's it, come out quite nice. I like it. I'm not gonna do anything with it. Usually you can put some color on top, but I think I'm gonna leave it as it is. Now I'm trying the pearls, but I don't like them so much. I think they're too big. So what I'm gonna do, I bring back my lovely half pearl that become my new favorite things to add on my cards. What do you call them? Decoration, embellishment, that's the word, embellishment. So I'm gonna put some glossy accent in some strategic point, and then just glue my pearls down. I'm just gonna put some of them, just maybe 5 or 7, always odd numbers. I think I put 5, 6, 7. Actually I put 8. Oh, wrong. Never mind. So 3 here to the, and 3 there again. So yeah, I put 8. But it's okay. It's got a triangle thing, so it's alright, and it's not too bad. And I like it. Simple. Hopefully my mum will like it. So I'm actually probably gonna make another one tomorrow. Oh yes, sorry, I'm gonna glue it to my card base, of course. So tomorrow I'm gonna do another Mother's Day card, and then you can help me choose which one is the best one. So the panel is slightly smaller than my card base that I cut to match my panel, so I have no idea the actual size. I should have measured, but I never do that, sorry. But I hope you enjoyed the card, and thank you so much for sticking with me till the end. I hope you have a lovely day and see you tomorrow. Bye!